we're going to be heading for a bit of rain. I might have to stop and put my coat on already. So it's the 25th of August 2022 at about 5:45 in the morning. Look at that. Yeah, I think I better stop. Right, away we go. God. This will be interesting. This is across the Ashdown Forest. Don't know what you can see. Not a lot, I shouldn't think. That's a hell of a storm. Go this way today, just in case the sheep run across the road. So I'm out in the open here, so I'm going to get crucified. I've got gloves that are meant to be waterproof that are soaked. I've got a pair of J&S over trousers that are meant to be waterproof that I don't really think are working that well. I know it's extreme. And I've got a £35 waterproof jacket which seems to be holding its own at the moment. Came home in the blazing sunshine last night, or yesterday afternoon, and then when I loaded the bike up ready for today, found that I'd got a puncture. Fortunately, I've got a spare wheel and tyre, so I popped that on. Ooh, there's a lot of water here. Anyway, popped that on, did the tyre pressures, and away we went. As I say, I didn't want to be doing this morning. Come on, put them down, put them down. And when I got outside this morning it was dry, but there was a lot of flashing outside, as you can see, but then it started to get heavier and heavier. So there we go. As long as you can remain dry, it's not a problem. Fucking see because of his lights. Keep over, Grant. This must have been going for some time because there's trails and trails of crap on the road. Oop. There's a lot, very deep water here. Can't really hear the thunder. There is thunder though. Headlights are way too bright these days, especially when you're oncoming. And in this sort of situation it just blinds you. So it might be safer for the person driving the car with the lights, but if you're coming the other way it certainly isn't. Now because my fuel gauge I know reads wrong because of the all too common fuel strip problem. I carry a gallon of fuel with me, and I'm expecting this to probably run out on the worst day possible. So I might just stop and get some fuel where I can. If any deer run across today, it's game over. The air is very warm this morning. Very mild. That's probably why we've got the electric storm. I think we're out of the worst. I was hoping I could ride through it. Yeah, my legs are wet, so I'm soaked. Anyway, I was going to say things could be worse, but they can't. And this is a good reason why you give yourself plenty of time to get anywhere, to be honest, especially during the winter. And I know this is not winter, but because of the extreme heat we've been having and lack of water, now that we have got it, it's you know, it's all laying on the surface and not going anywhere, not draining. Doesn't explain why my waterproofs don't work. I have got some more over trousers somewhere, but I think they're buried in the depths of the bike. But I won't get those out now.